else you can just directly go here, click on to this new site. I'm going to select this one. Now I'm just going to upload this image as a profile. Kid store just apps .car.co. You have to give like kid store just apps.car.co. That's it, guys. Hello guys, today in this video I'll be discussing about a platform that will help you build feature rich and responsive web application completely for free. So that application name is car.co. If you are a new user, you have to create an account. I will explain in a second. Here you can see these three lines. That is actually a menu bar. You just have to click on it, and if you're a new user, you'll be getting a sign up option here and also a login option here. Since I have already signed up, the options have changed. So what exactly you need to do is you have to create your account by providing your email ID, and also you have to create no password. So once you signed up, you have to log in providing the same credentials. Then you can go about developing a website. And also you can see here under the free plan what you'll be getting. Okay, so in the free plan you'll be able to build 3 sites per account. Okay, so since we have created one account, and under the particular account you'll be able to create 3 websites, and also you'll be eligible to use all of the car's core features and completely for free. So that's the best part of it. And also if you scroll down further, you can also see what you'll be getting in the paid version as well. So this is called pro version. This plan is priced at like $19 per year. So if you just scroll down further here, you can see here what options you'll be getting. You'll be getting an option to choose your own custom domain, and also more other sites, and also forms. Okay, you can use you can add all these features to your website. And also you can see the widgets and embeds. And also you can see the Google Analytics. In the Google Analytics you can track on what you want to add. If you want to, you can keep track of how many people have visited your website, and also if you want to add backlink to your website, that also you can do. And also there are a lot of things you can do with this, and it's a really useful feature. So that looks more professional and that is more advanced. Okay, so that will help you grow your website and building network. Okay, so that's the best part. And also you can see here no branding option here. If you are choosing a free plan, this particular trademark is going to be associated with your website forever. Okay, but if you want to get rid of this, you have to buy the membership plan. So that is the only way. Without further ado, let's go ahead and start a new website. So here you can see here, this is the dashboard. You can spend some time in understanding, if you want to create a profile, adding your profile picture and all that, you can do here. Or else you can just directly go here, click on to this new site. So this will open up to these templates. You can see here there are a lot of options. So if you just want to create a landing page, or if you want to create a profile, or if you want to create a form or portfolio or section, so all of that you can try here. And also you can see here the template option. If you click on to it, it will show your custom template. Okay, if you have created, but as of now, if you want to avail this feature, you have to buy the membership plan. Okay, we are not going to do that right now. We're just going to create an application and we're just going to launch. So if you just scroll down a bit here, you can see here, so there are a lot of templates available here. Wherever you are seeing these tag here, pro tags, that is a paid version. Okay, if you want to use your template, then you have to buy their membership plan and use them. Okay, otherwise these are all the free versions to choose from. Go through these and can look at it and which one suits your business, or you're using for your personal project. Say if you are a blogger and if you want to create it for your personal blog, or if you have personal business, like if you are an artist and you want to create an inventory for it. So all of that, so now you can just go through it, and what suits you based on your taste, you can choose any of the template available here and you can just go ahead. Okay, right now I'm going to choose a template that I liked previously. I'm going to select this one. So once you click on it, you can see here this is how the interface looks like. If you just hover over here, you can see here this is the image section. Just click on it and here you can upload an image. Now I'm just going to upload this image as a profile photo. Okay, so that's it, and I'm just going to click on here, done. And if you want to add a text, you can add here. This is optional completely. Okay, and you can add a URL here. So whenever someone click on to the profile picture, they will come to know, can provide your profile details here, or to any of the social media accounts. Okay, that you can do. So I'm not going to do much here. Type a name here, so it will, whenever the moment you click on it or just hover over it, the name will appear. But I'm not going to do all of that right now. I'm just going to click on done. Okay, as of now that is enough, and I'm just going to click on it, and I'm going to click like kids store. Okay, so you can see all the font options available here. You can just see here what I'm talking about. If you scroll down a bit, you can see all the values added here. It is too technical and you won't have to bother about it as of now. So just go and click on done. Okay. If you want to do some changes with the functional or functionality of each of those elements, you can do that. Okay, if you really want it to be something different than what it already is. Okay, so but as of now I'm not going to do that. Okay, I'm just going to give an insight on just simple steps how you can launch your own website. Okay, so I'm just going to give description like your one-stop solution for all your kids or your children needs. Okay, so that's it. Little bit. If you just scroll down a bit here, You can click on to, and also you can see here if you want to change the color of it, you can do that. Option to choose from: line spacing, letter spacing, indent, margins. You can do all of that. Now you can make the best out of the platform by using the free options. A lot of features are enough to make your website more look user friendly. And I'm just going to click on done. Okay. I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to change the color of this one to bit something like an orange. So let's do that. Now it looks cool. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to click on it. I'm going to change this one. I'm going to change the color of this one. I just have to change the color here. If you click here, click on it. So that's it. That's all I wanted to do for this. And if you want to add additional button or anything extra, then you can click on here under button if you want to add. So this will be an email button. You can decide on what icon you want to choose, say for example based on type of the website you are creating. Okay, so if it is simple blog, then email icon will be best. If it is for a simple business or your art gallery or your blog, then email icon will be best, so that will let people know that you can directly contact. Okay, but since it is already here, I don't want to bother about it, but still I'm just going to show you how you can use it. Okay, so here you can provide a URL path. Here what you can do is you can provide a link to your office address or your email address, so you can link it here once again. So that's it. I'm not going to do anything here. I'm just going to give name to this button, that is email. Okay, so that's it. Here it is already showing what type of icon it is, so that is email. Okay, I'm not going to change that one. So I'm just going to scroll down a bit and I'm going to click on done. So that's it, right? And also if you want to change the color of each of these icon, you can do that. I'm just going to show you here. Click on to any of the icon. You have to provide a link to each of the social media account. Okay, so that way when people click on it, it will take you to their social media account. Okay, and if you can change the color as well, like I said, just click on here and decide on what color you want. So if you just click here, you can see here it has just changed the color of that icon. I'm just going to click on done. The next step, what you need to do is you have to launch this application. But also there is another thing I want to talk about is you can click on to this mobile view option. Okay, this will show you a preview of how this particular website is going to look like on the mobile platform or mobile devices. So that's it. And also you can see here, this is the publish option. So once you're done with all the customization, you can just go here and click on this published option. Okay, here you can give a name to this particular site like Kids Store. Okay, so that's it. In the description, I'm going to type the same thing, your one place solution for all your kids needs. So that's it. Here you can see, if you click on it, this particular website is going to be published into this particular platform, that is call.co. But if you want to buy a custom domain, you can do that, but that is only possible with the membership plan. You have to buy the membership plan, so that way you can, without associating with this platform, you can directly launch your website. Okay, so that's the best part about it. If you buy the membership plan, you can directly publish it your own domain name, and also you get an option to save the template. You can, so whenever you visit a template, if you want to develop a website of a similar type or similar theme, you can directly go there and click onto the template and do some customization, publish it. Okay, that is as simple as it is. Okay, and also in the free version you also get to save this as a draft. Okay, that's it. So but unfortunately in the free version you won't get to save it as a template. And here you can see here, this is what I said talked about. These are the type of domain that you get the option to choose from. By default, this is the only option you are getting in the free version, that is car.co. So now you have to decide on how you want your website URL name to be. Okay, so since we have choose this website name to be Kid Store, I'm going to keep it as it is. Here you can check the domain name. That like it's going to show you whether this domain name is available or not. So it says that domain name is not available. Then you have to buy the different one. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to add our channel name, that is Just Apps. Okay, Kid Store Just Apps, or you can Kid Store dot Just Apps, but it is going to confuse further. But as of now, so that's the reason I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to make it look like Kid Store Just Apps .co. Okay, so that's it. So just go ahead and click on publish. Okay, I forgot to change the background. I'm going to do right now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to upload a background. So the background can be something like this. So I'm just going to click on background. Okay, so now click on here, done. So this will change the background of it. Now click on the desktop version. But also if you want to do some more changes, you can do that. Play around with the theme or how you want to position each of the object, that you can decide here. And also you can see the pattern here. There are a lot of pattern, like I see paper kind of sand paper kind of version or all that you can try here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on done. So this is how your application is going to look like. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to click on publish again, and once again I'm going to click on publish. In couple of seconds this website is going to be online. It is going to be published on car.co. Okay, so it's done. You can see here, you can click on OK, and if you just click here, like you have to give like Kid Store Just Apps dot car.co. your application is going to be online. So that's it, guys. So we just provide your domain name, website going to be online. You can see here, this is what I talked about. So this trademark is going to appear in all of the free plans, and if you want to get rid of this, then you have to buy their membership plan. Okay, that's the only thing you can do about it. There are a lot of similar applications that will help you build more advanced and modern based on the theme or based on the kind of a project or based on your type of business that you are working on. Can build a website for it. Okay, so I hope this was really helpful to you, and also if you have any concerns about this video, please let me know in the comment section. I'm open for any suggestions, and I will be able to assist you in any way possible. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and also share with your friends. So, and also click on bell icon, so when I upload a new video you'll get a notification for that, and so that will be easy to follow. See you in the next video.